the levels that we discussed today. Okay, so NAS 100, the crash. If you were tracking the news at sharp 6 o'clock, the market gave a rejection, and I was prepared for this because this was a historical line. I was talking to you about that we can get a sharp rejection from here, and from there only our fake breakout. But yes, the news was there around 6 a.m., 6 8 p.m., 6 o'clock, 6 o'clock 5 minutes, 6 o'clock 8 minutes. It was the news, and suddenly it gave us an opportunity to short. All right, and for now the NAS 100 has come down around 5.7% from its day high. All right, so this is how we got the performance for NAS 100, and we played level to level with it. All right, let us see the next one. I'm showing it on a 1 hour time frame, and see, this is the US 30. Okay, see, a good selling opportunity we got. We entered here at this rejection. Okay, we shorted. Okay, and it's around 4% fall for the day. All right, and right now it is taking support sharp on the historical trend line. Okay, and it is also oversold right now. So this is the beauty of technical analysis and how we can do and find some proper trades. All right, that is why I say learn. Okay, this is Euro USDC. How so beautiful, a double top sort of formation and sharp fall playing level to level and taking bounce and retesting this level of 0.99792. So a very good day for the traders who use the technical analysis and play level to level. C, double bottom formation and a good plunge. All right, USD JPY, USD CHFC, sharp support from this support level, sharp bounce. All right, we got a good move, trail our targets to this high, and trade done. This is the beauty of technical analysis, and why I say again and again, just learn it. See, USD, AUD, USD. Okay, do you see any pattern here? I see it. I see it. 1, 2, 3. I see it. Triple top formation. Okay, gave a good fall. We got a confirmation at 6 o'clock. Shorted it. See, 2.5%. A very good trade. NZD USD. See, and here also triple top formation, and again a good trade, 2.7%. Staying level to level. See, USD Canadian dollar. Here also see triple bottom. Today you can see examples of triple top and triple bottom. This is triple bottom. All right, we entered here. See, still going. How much? 1.5%. Okay, so this is the beauty of learning technical analysis. See, NZD here also triple top formation. See, that is why I say that the formation technical patterns do form in the forex market, but yes, the formation is not that in the textbooks. We need to find them. This is silver. See, what a good plunge. Playing level, retest, retest, and a good plunge. Okay, entry above this, a good movement. What do you want from this? And today, consolidation, rejection, and fall. Let us see gold now. See, getting rejection from the zone. So this is why I see the beauty, getting the rejection sharp from the zone and a sharp fall of 1.5% in an hour, and see again taking support at the zone. Okay, this is how we can find the levels and can play with the ease of mind. We can keep our mind sharp or calm, so that we can trade level to level with confirmations. And see how the US dollar index has shorted up in 1 hour, 1.37% still going up. See, this is Bitcoin. Getting? See, this is also 1, 2, 3 rejection, sold out. See, Ethereum. See, 1, 2, 3 triple top, sold out, and is also breakdown of his historical trend line. Let me just change the color. where is it? Yes, if we turn it to white, see, it was a historical trend line. Give a breakdown. It's a sharp fall. This is Solana. See, this is also triple top fall. So this is the beauty of technical analysis and how we can play level develop. I did not, though I had given written levels for today, but I won't be discussing because see the market is purely for the levels. See how the levels got respected. Taking bonds from the support level 279.1, this is BNB. Got rejection from the resistance level of 295 so sharp. How is this possible to getting so sharp levels and levels don't change? That is the beauty of technical analysis and to learn and to blend it with the news is the best thing. Matic, see, couldn't sustain a rounding top and sold out. Okay, now let us see US oil. See, this is US oil. Okay, took a bounce from the swing point, gave two targets, got a rejection. Okay, and took support from the test line, retested the level of 84.958, took a bounce and got support from the historical trend line, took a bounce. Okay, so this is the beauty of technical analysis, and this is the reason why I asked you to learn. Okay, trading, investing, swing trades, intraday trades, it is not difficult. Okay, just a matter of learning. Okay, so just go and watch the video for the content and the tenure fees, everything about the course is updated on the video. Also, I'll be mentioning the link to the video about the course overview in the in the comment. Also, I will pin the same and I'll also post it in the description of the video. Sorry. Okay. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Check in Vande Mataram. And yes, stop loss is very important. All right, just remember it. I'll see you in the next.